Hi, my name's Jessie, and I'm so grateful that you're here, that you found this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click subscribe so that we can be YouTube buddies, all right? The purpose of this video is I want to invite you to participate in a very unique oil experience. And what that entails is me sending you some doTERRA samples. You send me $10, I send you some fun samples. And over the course of 5 days, I will educate you via video and text about each one of those samples that I sent you. And then at the end of that oil experience, we can set up a time to talk on Zoom, or if you happen to live near me, we could always meet at a coffee shop, but in reality, and most likely it'll be on Zoom, and we can talk, answer any questions that you may have, and then I can help you get started, if you choose to, get started with your own wholesale account. So this is where I should probably say really quick that this oil experience is for people who don't yet have a wholesale account with doTERRA and who do not have a wellness advocate like me who they're working with. So then for $10, I'll send you the samples. We'll get connected through text and I will send you daily education. And at the end of those 5 days, we'll set up a time to talk. I can answer some more of your questions and then we can help get you set up with your very own doTERRA wholesale account. If that sounds like something that you would be interested in, check the show notes. There's a registration link, fill that out, then I will reach out shortly and we will continue this conversation. But I would love it. I would absolutely love it if you would participate in this oil experience and I can give you a taste, an experience, and a snippet of just how fantastic our doTERRA essential oils are. Hope you have a great day. Reach out with questions and we'll talk soon.